நாம் இந்த வீடியோவில் கார்போஹைட்ரேட் பற்றி பார்க்க போகிறோம். கார்போஹைட்ரேட் are primarily produced by plant. It is a organic component. It comprises carbon, hydrogen and oxygen 1:2:1 ratio. General formula CnH2nOn. Then how we will define that carbohydrate means it is a polyhydroxy aldehyde or keto group. What is polyhydroxy? Means it have many OH group. Here we see that example, it have many OH group. Okay, so it is called polyhydroxy. What is aldehyde group means? It have carbon number 1 to 6. That carbon number 1 terminal having functional group OH. Okay, it is called aldehyde group. Carbon number 1 having functional group name is called as aldehyde group. What is keto group means? Here also carbon number 1 to 6 is there, but here that functional group is presented in the subterminal carbon number 2. It is called as keto group. Okay, what is aldehyde group? Functional group is presented in carbon number 1 is called as aldehyde group. What is keto group? Functional group is presented in subterminal carbon number 2 is called as keto group. So how we will define that carbohydrate? Polyhydroxy aldehyde or keto group. Now we will see about that classification. Based on that unit of sugar, they classified into 4 main categories: monosaccharide, disaccharide, oligosaccharide and polysaccharide. What is monosaccharide means? It have single unit of sugar. Disaccharide means it have 2 unit of sugar. Oligosaccharide means it have 3 to 10 unit of sugar. Poly means it have more than 10 up to 1000, many mono unit, up to 1000 mono unit is presented means polysaccharide. Now we will discuss one by one. First one is monosaccharide. Monosaccharide means we already know only 1 unit of sugar is presented. Okay, it have that monosaccharide have carbon number 3 to 7. Okay, carbon number it have 3 means we are calling triose. Example, glyceraldehyde. We apply that formula CnH2nOn. So C3H6O3. That carbon having 4 carbon number means tetrose. Example, erythrose. C4H8O4. Then it have 5 carbon. That monosaccharide have 5 carbon means pentose. We apply that formula C5H10O5. Example, ribose, deoxyribose and ribinose. Then carbon number, that monosaccharide having 6 carbon number means we are calling hexose. That formula C6H12O6. Example, glucose, fructose and galactose. Monosaccharide having carbon number 7 means heptose. Formula C7H14O7. Example, pseudoheptulose. So these are the examples for monosaccharide. Suppose they will ask university question means we will write in detail about hexose and pentose. Hexose we will write 2 example, glucose and fructose. Pentose like that only. We will write hexose and pentose along with the 2 example. So first one is hexose sugar. Hexose sugar, first one is glucose. We know already that formula C6H12O6. It is a aldehyde group. Okay, aldehyde group having sugar, maltose sugar. So glucose is a maltose sugar. It is a polyhydroxy component because so many OH group is presented. Then maltose sugar always presented in terminal carbon. That means carbon number 1 only it is presented. So this glucose molecule exit 2 form, open chain and ring form. What is open chain form means? We already know C6H12O6. So carbon number 1 to 6. Okay, how we will draw means first carbon number 1 to carbon number 6. That this one is a aldehyde group. So functional group first one only, carbon number 1 only. Double bond O, here H. Then here that third carbon number only, that orientation, here hydrogen H, here OH, remaining this side OH group, this side H group, bottom H. So first we will write carbon number 1 to 6, then functional group. Okay, top carbon number 1 functional group, then third carbon only orientation H, here OH. Okay, remaining here OH, then all the other things H. So according to our formula, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 carbon number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 oxygen molecules. Okay, this one is the open chain form. Here, one water molecules will remove. That means carbon number 1, 1 hydrogen group, then carbon number 5, 1 OH group. Okay, this water molecule will remove. After that only we will get that ring form. That oxygen share in carbon number 1 OH bond here, so it comes closer. Okay, so it comes closer, carbon number 1 and 5 in between that oxygen molecules. So carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here outside, carbon number 6 is outside only. The bond formation between carbon number 1 to 5, outside 6. In between that oxygen molecule is presented. So 5 carbon, 1 oxygen molecule is presented, means this type of ring name is called as pyrenose ring. Okay, this one is the interconvertible. That means open ring, open chain will change to ring form is changed to open form. So interconvertible. Then two more question is there. What is glycosidic bond? That means bond formation between one aldehyde group and one hydroxy group. Okay, between the two different molecules. One OH group of one molecules, hydrogen group of another molecules. Bond formation name is called as glycosidic bond. But here hemiacetate bond. What is hemiacetate bond? Means that bond formation between first carbon number and fifth OH group. Okay, so bond formation between the one aldehyde group and one hydroxy group in the same molecules. Name is called as hemiacetate bond. Glycosidic bond means different. Okay, different molecule, hydrogen OH group. Okay, so bond formation between one aldehyde group, one hydroxy group means different molecules. Okay, name is called as glycosidic bond. Hemiacetate bond means that bond formation between the same molecules. So next example is fructose. Fructose also same formula, hexose sugar, C6H12O6. It have keto group, so that sugar name is called as keto sugar. Keto sugar means subterminal only, that functional group is presented. It also having open and ring form. Here what is the difference between glucose and fructose ring? Means here bond formation between carbon number 2 to 4. Okay, carbon number 2, here bond formation between carbon number 2 to 5. Sorry, 5. So carbon number 1 outside, carbon number 6 outside, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay, so totally 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon. 4 carbon, 1 oxygen molecule is present. That means that type of ring name is called as pyrenose ring. Pyrenose ring means 5 carbon, 1 oxygen molecules, pyrenose ring. Pyrenose ring means 4 carbon, 1 oxygen molecules. Okay, this kind of ring, this name is called as pyrenose ring. Next one is Glucose and fructose we are calling reducing sugar. What is reducing sugar means a substance, a molecule have aldehyde group or keto group. Okay, aldehyde group or keto group presented means reducing sugar. Absence of aldehyde group or keto group name is called as keto group, non-reducing sugar. Okay, so glucose and fructose comes under reducing sugar. Both are having same formula. This glucose is main in our blood sugar. It only gives energy. It called maltose polyhydroxy sugar because so many OH group and aldehyde group. Fructose is, we are calling this one is the fruit sugar. Okay, because maximum of the fruits having fructose. This one is called ketose polyhydroxy sugar. That means it is presented in the subterminal, that functional group. So keto polyhydroxy means many OH group. Then monosaccharide. Example, we are calling this one is the pentose. Example, ribose and deoxyribose. Okay, this one also having pyranose ring. It have total carbon number 5. Okay, see, carbon number 5. So bond formation between first and fourth carbon. Okay, outside only fifth. So what is the difference between ribose and deoxyribose? Means that carbon number always, one is always both nitrogenous base, okay, bind with nitrogenous base. That fifth carbon number always bind with phosphoric acid. That second and third only different. It have two OH group. That means carbon number 2 and 3 having OH group. Here that carbon number 2 is missing one oxygen, that means deoxy. Okay, one oxygen was removal, so deoxyribose. So it have two functional groups, so more active. This one only having one functional group, so not reactive. That reason only deoxyribose presented in our genetic material. So that's all about monosaccharide. This one frequent 10 mark question. First we will define about carbohydrate, then classification, then we will give two example, pentose sugar and hexose sugar. This is the notes format. This one is the page number 2. Thanks for watching.